Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So, today we are featuring the Green Gaia Collection. Now, you already know the Persian Sea has been my obsession, but I wanted to pair Sahara Dunes and Blue Jay to create the most dreamy background. We wanted to create all of the sunset, sunrise magic when you can literally see the sky glowing with purples and pinks and blues. All of this stunting background. This is actually a collab video, y'all. So you need to run on over to Mama Does Nails and Priya K's Nails so you can see all of the magical sets that they do. Now, this collab is called The Sky is the Limit. And with Madam Glam, it's just that. Now, we are using their dotting tool and white gel paint to create the most darling clouds. Now, usually, I use a little bit of alcohol to create a smoky effect when doing clouds. But today, I wanted to shake it up. So using a dry oval brush, I am just patting down and bringing down the product, cleaning that brush off again, and just hazing out those clouds to truly give you the cloud show. Now, I can't squeal enough. This new collection is so beautiful. If any of these colors touched your heart, you're going to want to run on over to madamglam.com right meow. Now they are having a friends and family sale. This is a VIP exclusive 50% off site wide. And you get a free Cali lamp, y'all. So for anybody that followed the Advent Calendar series, you would have seen me unbox their Cali lamp. And it is their only mirrored interface lamp that's a mini lamp. So that is an amazing, amazing discount. There are so many different polishes on sale. So there's no better day to get yourself your favorite vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free formula, palm oil free, and HEMA free, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this collab video and to see the dreamy, angelic sets that both Priya and Mama have made. You need to run on over to their pages, which will be in the description box below. Sending you so much love and light. Mwah. Thank you for watching.